Welcome to Fanny Magnet, and in this video I'll explain you how you can replace the hard drive for MacBook Pro. So the only tool you need is a screwdriver and opener. So once you remove all the screws from here, just open this cover and here is the hard drive. So before doing anything, we'll go ahead and remove the battery connection. Here we go. So the battery is out now, so there is no power now. Once you are done with that, we just have to open two little screws. And this little plastic will come out. And here we go. And there will be a SATA connection. Just remove it like this. I'll explain you how you can remove this connection once again. Just pull out a little from here and then here, and we are done. And make sure that the new hard drive which you will be using, you have to remove. There will be a little, there is a little what you can say, steel kind of thing which gets stay here in this little cut and do not move. So you just have to open this and put in your new hard drive, and you will need to use a star screwdriver in order to remove this. Thank you for watching the video, and if you have any doubt, query, you can comment down below. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you, and as always, thank you for watching the video.